This lesson is about hyperbolic functions and its integral. Um, Before we go into the integral, let us discuss first what is hyperbolic function. Wow, a little review of hyperbolic function. Now, in mathematics, in advanced mathematics in application, there are times, o oftentimes, this expression, itong expression na to, come out in the solution EX divided by 2 that instead of using this as an expression in the solution of problems, a symbol was created for this. So ginawa na lang itong sine of hyperbolic x. Okay? Now this one is different from sine of an angle. This is hyperbolic x in which it is not related to itong sine theta ito, 'di ba, yung napag-aralan niyo is this is the theta, this is the opposite side or opposite ng angle. This is of course the hypotenuse and this is the adjacent. Below is the adjacent. And this is the included angle. Okay? So it is a ratio between the opposite and the hypotenuse ito, di ba? Itong sine of theta. Opposite over the hypotenuse. But in hyperbolic function, it is not related to angle in a triangle. So iba siya. It is an expression. Ex minus e to the negative x divided by 2. So, tatandaan nyo lang. You can use this one or you can use this. Pareho lang yung labas niyan. And then, there is another expression, yung ex plus e negative x over 2. This is equal to cosine of hyperbolic x. Now, if we try to compare that to sa graph, tingnan natin sa graph. Mapunta tayo ng graph, ha? Ito yung sine, di ba? Ex minus e to the negative divided by 2. Now, i-plot natin yung y equals to sine hx. O yan, pareho sila, di ba? Parehong graph. Kung ito naman yung yung e natin is 2.718, ha? Raised to x minus e raised to negative x, okay? Baba natin. Times, o divide 2, di ba? Ayan. Ano yun? No. Wala. Teka muna. O, times 0.5 na lang. Times times 0.5. Ito lang graph. Hindi ka muna nakamultiply kasi ito lang. Dito ka lang. Wala kang ayan. So naka-include yung y kaya hindi mag-graph niya. Divided by 2. O yan. Diba? Pareho yan nung y equals to sine x. So, ibig sabihin, meron ba tayo dito? Yung sin hx, pag plinat mo yan, katulad din dito, pag i-plot mo, ibig sabihin, they are the same. It is an expression involving exponential function. Okay? Yan. Yung cosine naman, ganun din. Kaya lang ito plus. Tingnan natin yung sa trigonometric function na yung involving angle, ano yung graph niya. Okay? Ito yung sin hx. Yan. Pag ito naman yung sin x, yan yung sin x. Repeating yan. Yung angle. Diba? Yung cosine x. Cosine x. So, yan yung cosine x. Pero pag yung hyperbolic naman, sin hx, so yan ang labas niya. So, they are not related. Nagkataon kasi merong mga function na parang nagkakahawig. Kaya ginawa yung symbol niya. Tingnan natin. Okay? Halimbawa na lang. Diba, if we derive yung sin x, okay? Derivative of sin hx, which is equal to derivative of, kung ito yung gawin natin, ito, para mapatunayan natin, ax minus e minus x divided by ito. So, i-derive natin ito kasi ito yung value ng sin of hx. Sabi natin, hindi natin alam yung what is the derivative of sin hx, hyperbolic x. So, i-derive natin yung expression na kinakatawan niya. Okay? Ito yung expression. So, what is the derivative of this? Of course, yung constant, ilalabas natin 1/2. Tapos, i-derive natin ito. What is the derivative of EU? Diba? EU du. So, in this case, this is EX dx. While this one, the derivative of this is EU times negative dx. So, dapat may parenthesis ha. Yung iba kasi hindi nilalagyan ng parenthesis. Ganyan. So, what is the result? It is 1/2 EX minus plus E negative X. Of course, we have our dx. So, what is this? Ito. Ano yan? Wala tayong space. Ano to? This is equal to ayan, cosine of hx ito. Diba? So, katulad din dun sa trigo function, diba? The derivative of sine u is equal to cosine u du. So, kung i-integrate mo yan, ito yung integral niya. Diba? So, ito, siyempre, if this is the derivative, yung derivative, that is, patay ng space. The derivative of sine hu du okay, sine hu is equal to cosine hu du. Okay? So, di ba sa trigo function, the derivative of sine u is equal to cosine u du. Tingnan yung pagkakahawig. This is yung u mo is ito yung angle mo, di ba? This is related to triangle, but this is not related to triangle. So tatandaan nyo hindi yung hyperbolic function, hindi siya related to angle, but it is related to exponential functions. Okay, so yan, may pagkakahawig, kaya siguro ko yan ang ginawang derivative. Tingnan natin yung derivative ng cosine hx. Okay, ang h yun na. Gamitin yung x na lang. Now, this is the same as derivative of yung ano yung equivalent ng cosine. This is equal to ex plus e negative x all over 2. So if we derive this, yung derivative niya is 1/2. Of course, yung constant, lalabas yan. Tapos, anong derivative nito? Ex lang. Of course, we have dx. Ito naman, derivative nito is e negative x times negative dx. Okay? Then, ang derivative niya, or simplifying this, we have ex. So, negative times positive, maging negative e negative x all over 2. And what is this? What is this? This is equal to sine hx. Yung kanina, di ba? Yung value niya. Therefore, magbabaliktad lang yan. So, yung derivative daw ng cosine hu is equal to sine hu du. Now, yung sa kuan naman, yung sa trigonometric function, it is negative sine u du. Okay, so yan medyo yan lang ang pagkakaiba ng dalawa. Ito negative, ito palaging positive. Okay, so ano pa? Meron itong identities, di ba? Yung pwede natin, may mga identities pa ito. Halimbawa yung ano yung cosine squared x. Hyperbolic x. So this is equal to ex plus e negative x over 2 squared. Kasi ito yung value ng cosine hx, di ba? Kanina. Kung i-square mo yan, i-square mo to. So, anong labas niyan? 1/4 square the first, a2x, plus twice the first and the second, plus square the second. Ayan. So if we simplify this, this is 1/4 e2x plus 2 plus e negative 2x. Okay, so yeah. And what is the hyperbolic sine hyperbolic sine of x? Okay, so this is equal to yung ex, di ba, minus e minus x divided by 2 squared. So kung i-derive mo ito ay magiging 1/4. Ito 2 times 2, 1/4 siya, lalabas siya. Okay, this is e 2x minus twice the first and the second plus the square of the second. Okay, so yan. So if we simplify this, this is equal to 1/4 e2x minus 2 plus e negative 2x. Ayan. So, tingnan yung pagkakaiba. Ito lang yung pagkakaiba ng dalawa. Positive 2 and negative 2 po. Iyon ang value ng cosine squared hx at saka sine squared hx, hyperbolic sum. Okay? Now, halimbawa, yung i-minus natin, di ba sa trigonometric identity, yung Pythagorean identity, meron tayong cosine squared plus sine squared, of course, may theta dyan, theta, is equal to 1. Diba? Tingnan natin dito kung ano mangyari. Is it the same? Pero, i-advance mo na lang. Kasi dito yung pag equal to 1, itong gawin na lang natin, yung cosine squared hx minus sine squared hx, anong value niya? Okay? Iuna ko na lang, this is equal to 1. Paano nangyari yan? I-minus lang natin. Ito yung cosine, diba? So, yung cosine natin is, ito, i-distribute natin yung 1/4. So, this is e2x over 4 plus, ito, 1/2, diba? Plus e negative 2x over 4 minus, okay, sa loob, yung sine, ito yung sine. I-distribute natin ito. So, e2x over 4. So, minus 1/2, diba? Ito, 2 over 4 is negative 1/2 plus e negative 2x over 4. Okay, so let us remove the grouping symbol. So, pag i-remove natin yan, this becomes negative. This becomes positive. This becomes negative. So, tatanggalin na natin yung parenthesis. Okay, so wala na dito. So, yan ang mangyayari. Okay, so minus na ito. Minus. Ito naman plus. Ito naman minus. Pag ni-remove natin, so anong mangyari? E 1/4 2x positive, saka ito negative, cancel yan. Yung power niya positive. Ito naman positive e negative 2x, e negative 2x, cancel yan. So what will remain is r 1/2 and 1/2. You add that, this is equal to 1 of course. So ito yung nangyari. So pag minus natin yung cosine sa sine hx, ang value niya is 1. Medyo similar lang doon sa cosine squared theta plus sine squared theta is equal to 1. Okay? So, hindi lang kayo malito. Iba yung hyperbolic. Iba yung so, instead of using this lengthy expression, ito na lang yung gagamitin mo. Tapos pag i-minus mo yan, minus mo, di ba ang haba ito? Ang haba pag i-minus mo yan. Pero kung alam mo na